my name's Lee. What's up? Welcome to my emporium of garbage, aka my garage. Here's the pile, the collection. Mostly got French boys here. Some 103s, TSM, a fake French bike, also known as a Batavis, and the good old trusty Pinto here. You know, as you can see, we're still in spring mode here. We gotta button these rigs up. You know, this has gone through a number of iterations, and another rebuild is on the works. So, a full MVR Melosi fairing set, and that's usually on the 103 Stage 6 bike, but right now it's naked. It's hibernating for the winter. Here we got the press, you know, if you want to press on bearings, if you don't want to run your toaster oven, or you got, I don't know, whatever you would need a press for. Got a welder, we got an oxyacetylene torch rig up down here, so we can pretend to know how to weld. Parts for building things, White Claw clutches, parts. Alright, this bad boy right here, this is an Austrian lathe. It's from like the 70s. And this is where the magic happens, let me tell you. This is where I take perfectly good metal or parts and turn them into scrap. Lunch is sponsored by Puzzle Eraser. We'll eat that later. This is from like a Buell motorcycle or something. That's how you put a rear disc on a 6-star. Some uncut bills. You need a little extra Treatland cash, you know? You just cash it in. Did you see this corn on the cob right here? Helps the squirrels survive the winter. And now, the current project, the current chopping block, is a little mini bike, a little GL10. So this guy's in the works. He's getting some plastic painted. We're finishing up the engine here, and it'll be ready to rip for spring. Hey man, hey, you gotta get out of here. You've been here too long. I got shit to do today.